By the end of this episode, you'll know how Pidgin works, common phrases, and tips to understand it like a native speaker. Let's get started.
Welcome to Pidgin English Explained. I'm Precious, and today we'll explore a fascinating topic, how to learn and understand Nigerian Pidgin English. Whether you're curious about Nigerian culture, planning to relate more with Africans, or just love languages, this episode is for you.
And I'm Emeka. I speak Pidgin English every day, but I also understand Standard English. Today, we'll break down Pidgin so that you can understand it clearly and even use it yourself in casual conversations. First things first, what is Pidgin English? For most people, it sounds like broken English, but that's not correct. Pidgin is a fully developed language. It borrows words from English, but has its own grammar and style.
Exactly. Think of it as a bridge language. It allows millions of Nigerians and West Africans to communicate easily across different native languages.
True. Pidgin is simple in structure, but very expressive. You can communicate complex ideas, jokes, emotions, and even proverbs.
For example, a common greeting is, "How far?" Many foreigners hear this and think it's about distance, but it actually means, "How are you?" or "What's up?"
Another one, you try. In Pidgin, it means well done, not you failed. Context is very important.
You might be asking, why should I, as an American or European, learn Pidgin? There are several reasons.
First, it helps you understand Nigerian culture. Pidgin reflects humor, values, and everyday life.
Second, it's practical. If you're traveling, working, or collaborating with Nigerians, knowing Pidgin helps you connect immediately.
Third, learning Pidgin is fun. It's full of idioms and expressions that don't exist in English.
And finally, it helps you learn English better. Since Pidgin borrows from English, understanding it improves your listening skills, vocabulary, and cultural awareness.
Let's talk grammar. Pidgin is different from English, but not complicated. One main rule, verbs are often simple.
For example, in English, you might say, I am going to the market. In Pidgin, it's simply, I dey go market.
Notice there's no the, and the verb dey is used for present continuous, like am, is, are.
Another example, he has eaten becomes, e don chop. The word done indicates completion.
Pidgin also uses context and tone a lot. You can express questions, emotions, or urgency simply by how you say it.
For learners, listening is key. Hearing native speakers in conversation or media will help you pick up the patterns naturally. Let's go over some common phrases you'll hear everywhere in Nigeria.
How far? How are you? I dey come. I'll be there soon. You try. Well done. No wahala. No problem, or it's okay. Abeg. Please.
When using these phrases, remember, pronunciation matters, but context matters even more.
For example, no wahala is casual. You wouldn't say it in a formal meeting with your boss. Instead, say, it's fine, or no problem, I will handle it.
Here are some tips for foreigners learning Pidgin. Listen actively, watch Nigerian movies, YouTube channels, or podcasts.
Practice repeating phrases, mimic tone and rhythm.
Learn context. Phrases can have different meanings depending on situation.
Start small. Focus on greetings and common expressions first.
Use a bilingual approach. Write Pidgin phrases and translate them to English.
And don't worry about mistakes. Pidgin speakers will understand if you try, and the more you practice, the faster you learn.
You can even combine Pidgin with English in casual conversations. For example, I dey come now, I'll reach in 5 minutes.
Learning Pidgin isn't just about language, it's about culture. Pidgin is used in jokes, proverbs, music, and street conversations.
For example, in Nigerian movies, you often hear, Wetin dey happen, meaning, what's happening? Understanding these phrases helps you enjoy media, understand humor, and connect with locals.
Pidgin also reflects flexibility. Words and phrases can evolve quickly. Learning it is learning culture in motion.
Now, let's practice a few phrases. I'll say it in English, Emeka will respond in Pidgin, then we translate. How are you doing today?
I define, thank you.
That means, I'm fine, thank you. Another, please help me with this task.
Abeg, help me do this thing.
Perfect. Simple, right? Keep practicing these small phrases every day. To summarize, learning Pidgin English is about listening, context, and practice. It's fun, culturally rich, and will help you connect with millions of people in Nigeria and West Africa.
Start small. Don't fear mistakes and enjoy learning. Pidgin is expressive, practical, and a bridge to understanding Nigerian life.
Thank you for joining us today on Pidgin English Explained. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe, like, and comment with the phrase you want us to teach next.
And remember, learning Pidgin is learning culture, one phrase at a time.